Rimwe na mawira maya turutaga ri ni woya arutha wina ibata na neneri nikio makoro me hau agaguthikiriria kamuna mundu ndenda guthira kiundu muna ni mundu ngonie muno ndina ibata binafsi nitangihingio ni mundu ngitari ho nie kiumbe yes wakirwo ni ukiheo rutha yes kana rimwe kaimwo weke uria wikaga warakara ndurakirutira wira kambuni ya muhiriga wakwa Tia bare cianyu pana ona gutie mundu wanyu witainwo no tongoria kundu kou akurure akiruta wira kambuni emwe igweta no kathiete kambatiririo kidogo ndikira gukinya junior management niga karage progress wega nika mu supervisor yes kambuni emwe ekuagira andu tumirigo yes nikara kiriga guthie hiciara Niru maundu mau marutha madiragwo na munene na HR no office ya HR yes ona fomu na tukihura yes akihurio kaigwa nindirenda muhethi kuigire yes ni turathie gwiteka cira niguo wa mugunda yes kare tiria Saturday na Friday kara kiurio what would you want to get the off or for arauga oli ni mari mama wa oi na ndaguranire na ndari ciana ni ukarora gakururu no roraga mama we uyu man solo yes na arakiuga riu ri ene ifatira gutwara mama we ucio kijavi thibitari yes ena appointment yake ya rigitari yes that is quite in order na management rakiuga atiriri well that is understandable again you know I understand where you are coming from sometimes people become pillars in their family and that is a job you don't ask for sometimes you take up a role that you never asked for. So basically what we'll do when did you say you are taking him if it is Thursday then I think you can even be off from Wednesday so that you can prepare umesema unamuendea wapi ni Sagi Sagi ni wapi ni huko Nyandarua that's far so basically we'll give you from Wednesday you just need to sign the leave form and then you'll be back by when Monday Monday is okay sawa naraiho ria yorutha yes as the script was ni mama yaratwara ke thibitari appointment ya legitari gakuru yes Jonathani gakuru etagwo Jonathani yes kubere that was an excuse ya kugia ihinda na kanya ogu atire mama karatwara thibitari ulisikia wapi ona utire mama utari ciana ici muigana ogu era story yes akuru Jonathani ri karabangite here ndike ndara kwenderia guoya buropa Manigetha gakaga aretha narrative ya kuheo rutha ki wira-ini atige arisavu wira na thie mwago ai fagite na kwa kaharurukie kianda kianda kia Mombasa ni kuri kaundu kau ka gwitikirika ningi twarite mundu kianda ri yes ni aguraga guoya ucio na nionaga that thought was very well counted very yes na ni umuku he korito umukuite nako yes Jonathani ri no kabukire SGR nyamu etagwo VIP matigo kuwero kwa ndo maroranaga na ndiraigwa kwanja SGR ni bara hira makumbi meru yes mena more luxury magiri 12 maundu cio ni maraihura kwa riu ni mago 12 na ndiye kora ikaro atia mundu angenda guikara family ngima tondu ni tari ogite mundu giake no ko ni megucenjia I don't know tondu gwiko uguo niguo andu maraika no kugia inegene muno andu makiaraniria Freddy oi hakua na atia hena warie egakurure karaki buku tikitisi igere cia VIP akena mundu wake yes we othina mugithi wa express ati kwenda wa extra wa intercount akuruga ma stage ciothe ucio ni murugami muno karaki ukoma thano imotha ma SGR eiga mathaa na ukira ndege iyo thaa cia kinya ne ahinga murango and they never do you a boarding call. Nuona ndege-inĩ airport. Before they close the doors, kũngĩkorwo kwĩ mũndũ ũtaingĩrĩte nĩ mekaga kĩndũ gĩtagwo boarding call. And if it is probably ũrĩhĩte ĩtagwo atĩa, the first class, they give you a call. The first class ndũtigagwo.
Thura kuine nĩ kuo tigagwo.
First class no mamatirie cira. Ũndũ ũkĩrĩhĩte mita nĩ ũragio saa. Uko umbali wapi mheshimiwa?
Niko hapa security check.
Tukupatia dakika ngapi?
Kama 15.
We have just finished boarding. We just know how to explain to the people.
Experiencing a slight delay. We should be the taxiway in the next 10 minutes. So we ask for your patience kindly, please.
Do you know
First class.
Yes. Mugithi-ini.
Mugithi that ciakinya nĩ ciakinya.
SGR ona etha watia uyu wendekithĩtio gũtuĩka waciri.
Mutua.
Rĩrĩa arĩ gavana rĩ nĩ aingĩire mugithi ũcio akiuma nja kuoya thimũ mĩrango ĩkĩhingwo na
agĩtigwo na mugithi ũgĩthiĩ
na mĩrigo yake ĩgĩthiĩ na security yake. Tukaragĩũka tene akuru na mũkihi. Yes. Rĩtu gake.
Umba nginya cioke mau.
Akera rĩu nonga ũkĩrĩ wagĩthiĩ na mũtambo. Ndakwĩire ngakuonia mĩago. Yotha thĩinĩ. Yes. Wandũ tũkũingĩra. Yes. Mĩrigo harĩa igũrũ. The stock. Cargo stock. Yes.
Na mũndũ oe gĩtĩ gĩake.
Iyo. Meteire ũrĩa ũthiũrũrũkagia kĩ? To juice. Ina tu. Agĩũke. Na ũtuka tu. Mũgithi rĩu ndwendagia kuma na Nairobi. Waje kuenderia mutitu ukirepa ni ukinyi
ukiuga ni urepe ni mukinyire miritini
aikara hau na bebe yake. Yes, get the first class we eno ikoragwo na ite ithatu a side. Yes, we igire na ithatu. Yes, maikarete oro hau ri Jonathani na bebe yake ri maigire maguru iguru guo ri makiana sweet nothings ri mwena gite gĩareka atia
aroka.
Yes, no and behold Jonathani gakirora ri ni mundoci wake
woi yagĩthũkia munene aroka
munene ingĩrora ndegũkarĩria arekĩra headphone na mũgithi
ũrakũra.
Yes. Kaina tukari wone ke Jonathani gatararia
akira ni acenjia.
You play down. Cheza chini takwambia.
Oi.
Yes.
Jonathani
arakinya handu munene arathiĩ rĩu washroom to mugithi nĩ ũgĩcire. Yes. Aicoka aramoria Jonathan.
Yes sir.
I had to take a few hours to decide whether it is you because you looked familiar. But now that I have had another view from the washroom, I can confirm it's you. Is that your uncle?
No, you know.
See, my cousin, this cousin, she also calls my uncle.
Oh, that's how you hold your cousin.
You see, she has had some little stress for a while. So I was trying to make her comfortable. Your cousin is very scantily dressed in your presence.
Nakuaga hivyo.
You see, she is a fashionable. So let me engage your cousin, msichana. How is your uncle doing? Which uncle? The uncle you have in common. You see, she's not very aware. We don't like to shock the family, so we don't tell much. We don't tell much about it. No, stop conversing in your dialect. I think I get it. Oh, this train, I was not sure this train has a stopover at Kijabe.
Mombasa.
The doctor, she said that because of the demonstration, we see next week. Akiuma meritini re. Jonathani re. Gatinage ihinda riega. Kianda.
No, that can be a very long journey.
Very long. Aigue mathaa mana tare thikũ 4.
No ucukire njira uge gukuki ni ugwetha mbathi.
Yeah, you must be very affectionate with your cousin, Jonathan. No, it's the way we were brought up.
Gucukira emari njohie cania.
Akire wa express. Agenda iwa ya show cause. Agitaririo kiria kiratumire ahenia kiu.
Ahenie mumwandiki.
Yes.
Stay yake kianda ni kuharagana mu.
Ni amiragia na thikũ 2. Are ume Sunday. Aumie the following day. Pole sana ndugu.
Ndugu Jonathan.
Na mtu wako. And your foiled holiday.
Hiyo nayo imeharibika. Ila ijaja na 39.